What's up, guys? Welcome to the Maniacs Club, buds, but we're going to do something a little different. I'm going to show you how to use a mixture of sodium hypochlorite and sufficient. And what we're going to do is get to town on this old shed. Now, make sure and stay tuned because I'm going to leave it right here where it's all finished and cleaned, and I ain't do no work, none whatsoever. Just do it right, and you're sorry for the wind, guys. I'm outside. I'm doing my own special video now, guys. Hell yeah. But make sure to stay tuned. First and foremost, you always gotta rinse it off. You know, you gotta get your stuff onto the actual factin material. If there's dust on top of it, it's just not gonna work that good. All right, good enough right there. We'll let that be right there and we'll go ahead and get this stuff on there. Yeah, boy. Let's do it. Hey, man. Hell yeah. All right, now we got that all situated. I'm gonna go ahead and do the side. I'm gonna do the side right now. And yes, we wait a few minutes, probably like 10 minutes, 5-10 minutes, let it do its job. We might have to do a rinse and repeat a couple times, you know? It just depends on how bad the stuff is. And this one's horrible. It's horrible. So it's gonna take a little time. Just give it some time and we'll let it work its magic. Yeah. And yes, I will be off camera for a second. Give me a quick minute. It's getting there. I'm gonna rinse a little bit off and repeat. See, I messed up earlier. I accidentally forgot that I had a little baby wand. So, and I was actually too far away from the material. But now that I got closer, look at all that. I wasn't even finished with the house by the time it's already melting off. So that's why it's always good to freaking practice, 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 guys. Get it right. Know what your strategy is. And if something's not right, try something else. That's what I did right now. And look, it's working right now. Whereas we had to wait up to like 10 minutes to get to this point where I did it in a different way, a little bit closer to the wall and sprayed it nice and concentrated. Look at that, it's gone instantly. Trial and error, baby. You can get it right, just try it out. Practice, 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 practice. Study, study, study too. That's what I did for days, hours and days and hours. Study, guys, study, study, study. Do your homework. Look at all that. Another thing, I don't know why the hell I'm freaking whispering. I'm in my own damn yard. Look at that. Now this sucker has not been cleaned in literally like 20 years. Probably longer. Never been cleaned. Never been cleaned, never been cleaned. Never knew how to clean it. I do now. And look, I ain't even had to scrub nothing. And she's beautiful. Beautiful. All that wind, sorry. Another key component is you gotta rinse this stuff off. Don't leave it on there and dry and everything. It will build up will occur, and it will be no good for your paint. It will destroy your paint, you know. So always rinse everything off for it to be nice and effective. You don't want the dirt growing on, drying on it either. Rinse the dirt off. Stormy tropical weather now. I love it. I'm gonna do another rinse and a repeat real quick since it is so bad. Alright guys, my phone might die any minute now, but I'm pretty sure you get the idea that if you look at the beginning of this video, 17 minutes ago, you will see a huge difference. Now granted, rust does not come off. Rust is rust. You'd have to use another factor for that. That's a whole nother job, that's a whole nother deal. Don't worry about that, you only want to get it cleaned. You're only there to clean. Your only job there is to clean, okay? Just keep that in mind. Anything extra, you're gonna have to add that on top of the quote. Add your price to it. There it is. I mean, basically everything that's left is just rust. It freaking worked, guys. It freaking worked. Oh, look at him. Oh shit. Oh shit. I need to stop getting in front of the camera. Oh my God. But there you go, guys. Look at that. Beautiful. Go back to the beginning of the video and see the difference, guys. Till next time, buds. I'll catch you in the Maniacs Club. Bye.